Oh, sorry. I don't know what star those. Like, I always pop the bubbles. I don't know what they do. I just pop them. I can buy it. I can buy it. Gifted jelly. Gifted jelly. Gifted jelly. Boom! 1 star jelly in my inventory. 1 star jelly. All right, let's go feed this to Shy Bee because I love Shy Bee. Let's go. All right, 1 star jelly. All right. I don't want to feed it to Shy Bee anymore because it says transforms a bee into a random gifted rare, epic, or legendary. So let me just buy an egg. Hold on. Do we still have a meal? Click. Oh, I think I accidentally bought 2. Oh. A, E. Oh, I thought I almost bought 2. I still have 1 million. Now put basic egg up there. Hatch basic egg. Now basic bee. And the basic bee will turn into basic bee. Oh, gifted frosted bee! Oh, gifted frosted bee! Holy moly! Oh, no way! A gifted frosted bee. That is like so good for me. I don't know why. I really like that. I really like that. Like gifted frosted bee. Oh, let me just fix my camera. It's still. Oh my god. There you go. It's not fixed. Oh, it just needs to sound. There you go. I can't. That is epic. Now I just need to save up to Star Treat for I got this guy. Man, this guy has a gifted basic bee. That's sick. I have a gifted frosted bee, a gifted diamond bee, a gifted shocked bee. Let's get a round of applause for those gifted things. Oh, my dad's coming. That was sick. I don't regret buying that star. That star though. And or the wondering what had just happened, my dad's cleaning my room. He was vacuuming it. You spin me right round like a record, baby, right round, round, round. You spin me right round, baby. Like a record, baby, right round, round, round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, right round, round, round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, round, round. You spin me, you spin. Come on! Stop! No! No! They're over here. It's my turn. Da 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 da. Pineapple. Oh, I need one more butterfly, aka firefly. My back is itchy. Hold on. Da, 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 da. By the way, you can go through. Oh, and guys, can you tell me how to get that star jelly? Like, how do I get that? How do I get that star jelly? I've tried everything. Plus, I'm saving it. Oh, that's so much. Plus, I am saving up for hiking boots, so I can jump higher. Because my jumping sucks. Not gonna lie. I forgot how to get up there. Oh wait, guys, I'm going to show you how to get to Onett. So first, you want to use this slingshot, and then you want to make sure you have a parachute, any type. Now I'm going to fire this 12 cannon. And now I want to E, jump. And then you just come. And then boom, you're there. So there you go. We're at the top of here. Well, there's something there. It's an ant pass. What the? I fell. I'm stuck. Hello? Hello? Guys, I'm stuck. What happened? What just... I don't want want to jump there because I'm scared it's going to make me fall through and I'm going to lose all my honey. Honey. Whew. Okay, here is a honey maker behind that wall. And there's this red thing. Now I want to click that red thing. Just kidding, that does nothing. Oh, I'm missing everything. Oh my god. Why am I here? I accidentally fell. Oh my god. Like, there's so many parts everywhere. Oh my god. I'm stuck on this little red thing. Oh, there's lava right there. Yes. Okay, now I'm here. Shoot. Oh my galore. I fell. No, not that. Yep, that was what I was doing. Among the... Shoot, I'm gonna get copyrighted. God dang it. Gosh dang it. Y'all, if you're watching this, please don't copyright me. I'm sorry. It's like a music. I'm sorry. Plus, I won't get any more views in here. Because I have like 68 subscribers. Wait. Can you buy more slots? No, you cannot. You can't buy more slots. Can you buy more slots? I want more slots. Like everyone has filled their bees to the brim. How do you get more slots for your bees? Ooh, quick question. Should I buy the reindeer puppy pack? Oh no. No. I should save up 4,500 Robux. Now I'm not going to spend Robux on like items from the shop. I'm going to spend it on Bee Swarm. Cause you know I like 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 Bee Swarm. Cause you know I love Bee Swarm. This is a current song. This is a current song. Why am I singing it? Now, where is that red sprout? Where is it? Oh, it's right over here. Oh, jelly. Oh, jelly. Hey! Never mind. Honey storm! Honey storm. A lot. I'm still getting honey when a honey storm shows up. My eyes hurt. What in the house? I'm in the house board. Board in the house, and I'm in the house board. Board in the house, and I'm in the house board. And I'm in the house board. Board in the house, and I'm in the house board. Board in the house, and I'm in the house and board. Board house, board house, board. Board house, board house, board. Make a video.
Yeah.
Board in the house, and I'm in the house board. Board in the house, and I'm in the house board. Board in the house, and I'm in the house board. And I'm in the house board. And I'm in the house board. I'm in a house that is bored. I'm in the house that is bored. I'm in the house that is bored. I'm in the house that is bored. I am in the house that is bored. Bored in the house and I'm bored. I'm in the house that is bored. I am in a board house. I'm bored. Board house, bored, bored. I am bored, board house, board house. I am in a board house, board house, board house. Shoot! Come on, make honey faster. Oh. 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 Oh.
I'm gonna need the computer today, so I need to make sure
Okay.
that it's charged.
Okay. Oh. Ooh. Woo! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Yeah, I should. Yeah, I died. more jelly. Oh. 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 Ow, 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 ow. Help me, bees! I'm gonna die. Oh! I don't like this challenge. Eat. Why is there so many things on here? Oh, there's a sprout here. Who I don't know. Who would have known? Thanks for feedback. I wish I could play in snow again. Oh guys, look at my Lego car I made. Cool. Cool, right? Da. Excuse me. It takes like 2 days for one thing. I want to call my friend. I want to call my friend. See if he answers. I'm not supposed to see. I can't see this, so I'm facing you to one of my